Let's review stoichiometry, an essential topic in MCAT general chemistry. Molecular weight is the sum of atomic masses in a molecule measured in grams per mole. It links mass to moles using Avogadro's number, which is 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd particles per mole. The empirical formula gives the simplest ratio of elements in a compound. The molecular formula shows the actual number of atoms. For example, CH2 is empirical, while C6H6 is molecular. Chemistry often uses metric units, grams, liters, moles, and cubic centimeters. Always keep track of units in stoichiometric calculations. Percent composition by mass tells you the proportion of each element in a compound. Divide the mass of the element by the total mass, then multiply by 100. Density is defined as mass divided by volume, usually in grams per cubic centimeter or kilograms per liter. Now, redox concepts. So, oxidation numbers help track electron transfer. Common oxidizing agents include oxygen, hydrogen peroxide, and potassium permanganate. On the other hand, reducing agents are often metals like zinc or sodium borohydride. Now, disproportionation reactions are quite interesting because they involve the same species being both oxidized and reduced. Chemical equations must be written with correct symbols and physical states, and balanced to conserve mass and charge. In redox reactions, balance both atoms and charges, often using the half-reaction method. Limiting reactants determine how much product is formed. Always identify which reactant runs out first. Theoretical yield is the maximum amount of product you can form from the limiting reactant. Compare this to your actual yield to calculate percent yield. For guided examples and practice problems, grab the Chemistry for the MCAT 2nd edition, part of the MCAT Mastery series, available now on Amazon. Disclaimer. This video is produced for the MD Talk Health and Fitness channel. It is intended to inform, educate, and entertain. We thank United Medical Group and YourMD.online for their support in production. However, they are not liable for how any information presented is used by viewers.